next topic, Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams are very useful to represent the sets. British logician John Venn was the first to use the closed figure to represent sets. Here you see on the screen there are two sets are given. Such a representation are called Venn diagrams. So with the help of the closed figure we can express our sets. Okay, so Venn diagram are very useful in order to understand and illustrate the relationship among the sets and to solve the example based on the sets. John Venn is the British mathematician who was invested the sets John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical form to logic and probability. His famous book is Logic of Chance. So let us understand the use of Venn diagrams from the following example. Okay, so here we are taking a example of the sets. So our first set is A. So in set A we are having the 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we represent these elements with the help of the Venn diagram. So for the Venn diagram we are drawing a closed figure. Closed figure, that means we are drawing the circle. And in the circle we are representing our elements of set A. Okay. So here you see that we are drawing one circle and then in that we are writing our elements of set A such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and given the name of that circle A with the capital letter. Then here we are given the second set B. B is a set of all x such that minus 10 is less than x, less than or greater than or equal to 0. X is an integer. So in our set B we are having the numbers from minus 10 to 0. So minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, all these numbers we are written in the closed figure. Then we will see the subset. So subsets, if A and B are two given sets, every element of set B is also an element of set A. Then B is a subset of A, which is symbolically represented by B is the subset of A. Okay, and it is read as a B is a subset of A or B subset of A. That means what? So every element of B are present in the set A. That means each and every element of a set B are present in set A. Then we called it is a subset of a set A. So you see that how to write down the subset by symbolically. B is the subset of A. Then we will see some examples regarding that. So observe here. Here we are having the set A. In that elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then we see the second set B. So for representing the set A, we wanted the closed figure. We know that. So closed figure are circle, rectangle. Okay. So set B is given 2, 4, 6, 8. So all the elements of the set B are present in set A. You see that 2 is here, then 4, then 6, then 8. So all the elements of B are present in set A. That means set B is an subset of set A. Every element of B is also an element of A. So we clearly say that the B is the subset of set A. See here. Okay. So now we want to represent this by Venn diagram. So you will see that we are representing the set A in the outer side and set B in the inner side. So the every elements of A are written in whole. Okay. Then we will see the second example. N is equals to set of natural numbers. I is equals to set of integers. So here n is a subset of integer because all the natural numbers are the integer. We know that natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And integers are negative, 0 and positive. That means n is a subset of integer. Okay. Then we will see the next example. P is a set of all x such that x is a square root of 25. X is the square root of 25. That means whose square is the 25? You know that 5. So in our set P we are having the one element 5. Okay. And then we see the second set. S is a set of all y such that y belongs to integer and minus 5 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 5. Okay. So in set S we have to write down how many elements are there. In set S we are writing minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So these two are the sets given to us. In set P we are writing minus 5 and 5, and in set S minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you check that the elements of the P are present in the elements of S. That means the P is the subset of S. Okay. Then how you represent it by the Venn diagram. It is possible. You just draw the P set. In that you write down the minus 5 and 5. Then you draw the outer circle to that. So in that you write down the remaining elements of the S except minus 5 and the 5. Understand? Okay.